Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find advanced settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, and now here you will find, as you see, advanced settings, and you can manage it here as you want. You can manage your developer mode, you can manage your auto navigate to home, and that's how to find advanced settings and manage it as you want on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.